On the street where you don't live, there were 4 birds. They were Greedy Bird, Showy Bird, Passive Bird, and Sensitive Bird. Their feeder was empty. If only we could get on TV, they thought. Then the humans would notice us and fill the feeder. The birds agreed that they had talent.
Talent? Did I hear something about boys with talent? If you boys have talent, I'm the guy who'll put you in the limelight. Just look me up next time you're in Hollywood.
Across the rivers, the mountains, the sea, the birds are flying to be on TV. If they fly directly to Hollywood, their chance of success is very good.
Hey up there, sensitive bird. Have I got a job for you? Spotlight! I'm gonna put you in the spotlight!
It's gas! Run for your lives!
100 miners were saved, but Sensitive Bird was no more. Across the rivers, the mountains, the sea, the birds are flying to be on TV. If they fly directly to Hollywood, their chance of success is very good.
Hey, Showy Bird, do I have a job for you? You'll be the height of fashion.
The hat was a hit, but Showy Bird gave his life for it. Across the rivers, the mountains, the sea, the birds are flying to be on TV. If they fly directly to Hollywood, their chance of success is very good.
Hey birds, welcome to Hollywood and your new jobs. Do I have a job for you, Gritty Bird? You're going to be the star of a cooking show.
Greedy Bird liked that idea, for he was hungry. Passive Bird wondered what kind of job the agent had for him.
I got a spot for you in the studio audience.
Today, our celebrity chefs will be cooking Greedy Bird.
That bird reminds me. I have to refill that feeder out there.